I have probably a couple dozen Milwaukee products. Had it for years. I just crossed over to the dark side, did I? For a very long time, I wanted to be able to wash trailer, RV, truck, whatever, especially when we're camping and off-grid. But every item that I looked, wouldn't work. I remember looking at this one when it was only 500 PSI. I felt it wasn't adequate. So I broke down and I picked this one up, 1000 max PSI. It's the 60 volt max brushless. This, be aware, the 500 is a 20 volt unit. Okay, here's the hose, there's a filter. You connect this end into that. That's the filter, as I mentioned. This is the soap dispenser, the rod, and this is the adapter if you want to use a garden hose. Quick disconnect. It comes with a bag and a shoulder strap. Okay, I'm still waiting for the battery to charge, and I will have a video showing how it works when I do the RV in the truck. I'll have to pick up some foaming soap in the meantime. So I'll let you know what I think of it, and if the reviews that you find online are accurate or not. We'll find out. Okay, this is where the battery goes inside. Right now it's empty. This is where those 3 spray range, something like 40, 15, and I forget what the exact ones are, but oops. I'm not sure what's, I have to read that a little closer. Okay, this is the bar that comes with it. You basically would screw this in, and depending how you store it, it could stay. And this is the other adapter where it kind of spins. Okay, when it came in, there was only one bar, and they advised to charge it fully before using it. And it comes with a little cover protector, so you take it off like it's a battery. I can understand it's 60 volts, 9 amps. Good idea. Now, when you first plug in, apparently flashing's correct. Then, when it's pretty well close to fully charged, this other light will come on flashing. And then when it's solid, that means it's fully charged. And there's another icon in here, hot cold delay. There you go. So basically it's 320 volt charging steps it goes through. Okay. 81% more pressure than a garden hose. There's 2-speed for power or runtime. So you want to get the clean foam, I guess. And I like the storage of those 3 adapters. It comes with a shoulder strap. And this is the specs. 1000 PSI, 1 gallon per minute max. 1.5 gallons per minute at 313. Okay, so suction hose length is 20 feet. And what's nice is those quick disconnects, which is quite good. Okay, let me show you. Looks like it's a 9 amp flex. Basically, I think this battery can be used for a 20-volt system and the 60-volt system. And the charger comes with is 4 amps. Okay, it comes with 4 nozzles, 40-degree wide, 25, 15 narrow, and the turbo one. And of course the foam cannon. For it to work properly, I believe a foam cannon, you've got to get the right soap and a 20-foot hose where you can drop it in a bucket, in a lake or river, and it will work away. And there's an adapter if you happen to be near a garden hose or water connection, then you can use the adapter and get your water source from there. Okay, this is where the hose will connect and also the adapter if you're using a garden hose. 60-volt brushless. And there is a switch for high and low. And in most cases, when you're rinsing soap or something like that, low would be more than adequate, so you extend the battery life. I believe you can run this solid for half hour. Okay. If you haven't done so, it would be appreciated. Please subscribe. And thank you for watching. Have a nice day.